In the previous tutorial, I have given a way to print a 2-page Excel file on one sheet of paper. Now in this tutorial, I give a way to print 2 different sheets on one sheet of paper. Want to know how? Read this tutorial until the end. First of all, enter the print display by pressing the Control button and the P button simultaneously on the keyboard, or by going to the File menu then selecting Print. After that, change the settings from Print Active Sheet to Print Entire Workbook. Try to print this Excel file on one paper or one page. The method is that friends change from no scaling to fit sheet on one page, then it will compress this page into one page only. To print side by side, we need a Canon brand printer. The method is to enter the printer properties. Then the Canon IP2700 series properties will appear. Friends check 2 on one printing. After that, click OK to save the settings. Well, after that you can immediately print it, so there will be 2 sheets into one sheet, side by side. How are you guys, easy right? That's how to print 2 sheets into one sheet in Microsoft Excel. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.